egyébként a vállára fektetett.
Let's start the show. All right. How's it going? Let's see. We swept Asia low during the New York AM session, early AM session, so that's interesting. Hey, Trading Star, you're the first. What's up? What's up? So we swept the Asia low. So quite interesting. What I did a little bit earlier, because I do see these 5-minute supply zones higher, I went ahead and I entered the long position. Maybe I was a little bit too early on this. So here's the trade. I have a long position here in the hope that this one can actually go and maybe try to get that 5-minute level or that 5-minute zone. So we'll see how that goes. So the zone is up there. Now, I don't know if we're gonna get it or not, but it's gonna be interesting, that's for sure. That is gonna be interesting. Hey Nabab, what's up? And we have a little bit less than 3 minutes to go. Maybe I'm gonna close it, by the way. I haven't decided yet. I don't know. We'll see. It's small risk, 2 micros, not a big deal, like $200 or something. So I can go with that, and we will see what happens later on. Let's see, opening up this candle is 39.25. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see what happens. We might take a hit on this one. All right. A little bit scary, I know. Doing great, thank you. Waiting for this market open to happen. Nothing else. Maybe I'm gonna close it manually, so I'll be monitoring this. Maybe I'm gonna close it manually if I see some excuse me, some dirty moves happening. So I don't know. If something dirty is happening, I'm closing shop. Let's see. 45 seconds. Twenty seconds. Let's see. 10 seconds to go. Three, 2, and 1. Let's see. Is this gonna try to push into the zone or not? Not yet. I think it picked up liquidity. Not yet. Okay. Come on, zone. Come on, zone. Oh man, it missed it. Oh, what should I do? One more push, maybe? Maybe one more push? Come on. Just one push. That's all we need. It's not going. Come on. One more push to the zone. We need that. Are you serious? I wasn't expecting this. All right. Closing down. It was in profit, but I don't like this. I don't like this. I had to close it. I'm sorry. It is what it is. And now it goes to TP. Come on, are you serious, man? I'm losing my mind. There. I scalped it. Whew. Guys, I got so angry. I got so angry earlier. I almost threw away the mouse. This was so frustrating. I don't know. Black Master buy. Market going up. It should be breaking that supply zone, by the way. 5-minute micro, yes. Yeah, I only stream London and New York session, like not all day, but you know. Not all day. Let's see if it wants to go to the 50s. I think the high of this zone is 53. Not sure if that's going to be the case, but you never know. Should have just left that trade as it is. Should have just left it. But anyway, next zone is up there. Eventually it turned out good, but anyway. Let's see. Maybe we can see a possible push to that 5-minute supply zone. I really hope so. But otherwise, I don't know. I don't know the distance. Let's check it. It's another 10 points. It can go easily. Especially if you check the 5-minute chart. You'll see that it's extra 10 points. Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I clicked. I misclicked on my OBS there. I'm sorry. Excuse me. My mistake. So if anyone wants to scalp this, it can still go. What's the level? 73. Easy, right? Maybe 72. Dun, 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 dun. Almost. Did it go there? It almost did. Okay, up to the 5-minute supply zone. Oh, awesome effect. No giveaway, business lens. Gold eventually completely destroyed this zone, which is awesome. In a certain way, I think. All green, let's go. TP was at 70. Awesome, man. Congratulations. Absolutely awesome. That is great. I think it can actually go even higher, like to the 131. Did you guys check the 131 here? It could go. All red. Oh. Bit of an effect there. So everything's red. Nvidia is still holding the position up there. All right, now it should be getting the high of that level, which is going to be 92. So it's 10 extra points. Anyone wants to go for it? Let us know. So that's 92.25 on the micro, and on the mini. On the mini, I haven't checked it yet. It's 92.50. That's interesting. All right. And it's going. Dude, I'm telling you, 131 is coming up. London high up there is at 27. What do you think? Can we go for the 27? I think we can. Let's see. 28.25 actually. 25. Let's see. I think it can go. I'm gonna go with the pullback first, but I think it has a chance. Let's see the 1 minute. Okay, now we have a pullback here. Almost went up there. I wonder if this is going to try to push it back up there. I guess it did, right? All right. Better than nothing. Another 1 micro long. Let's go. Spanish, welcome. La Lecon particulier. I don't know what that is. That seems fancy. Oh, I see. Well, it should be going up for that 131, right? There you go. Everything has been taken. And all that's left is that 15-minute supply zone. Actually, we have the high of this supply zone here at 191, but can it go all the way up there? I'm not sure. Wow. I want to buy new Apex accounts. I just got the idea. I think I'm gonna buy some. It's 80% off, $85 lifetime activation, so why not? And it's going 191. Wow. It's going. Hasn't been the best few months for you. What happened? I think I'm taking a break and go back to basic backtesting and studying. If you feel like that, there's nothing wrong with going back to backtesting. And you know what I would do, maybe if you have some spare money to buy an evaluation, maybe the cheapest one, forward testing with 1 micro. Forget about passing the account, just forward testing. That could help a lot with 1 single micro, focusing on the setup. Trust me, it helps. It's actually like a therapy. You know, imagine it like sort of like a therapy. Like, just take 1 single micro trade, nothing more. Focus on the setup. It's going to help you, by the way, I think. I wonder if this one wants to take that 191. It seems like it wants to. You're done for the day. What happened? I hope you made profits. Oh, funded day trader. Sorry, I didn't see you there. Good morning. Oh yeah, what a move, right? What a move all the way from down there before the market opened with 200 points up. And I think that 191 could be a target up there. Yeah, what a move. Done for the day. Up 75. What? Oh my god. How are you guys doing it? How? Just tell me. I really need to know. How are you guys making $7,500 in 1 single session? And I'm still struggling here. Dude. Anyway. Ah, I see. Look at that. It's going. Yesterday you lost 410 with 3 trades, ending up like 10 days winning streak. And guess what? Today, let's go. Trading Star, congratulations, man. Good job. Good job. That's how it's done. That is how it's done. that is amazing. Smart money bought at 909. So here was the smart money buy. Why is this smart money buy? I'm just asking. I don't know why. Why is this the smart money buy here? I just don't. I don't know. I really genuinely don't know why is this the smart money buy here. If there's a concept for it, maybe. I don't know if there is. I mean, there was this dip here. Everybody was, I think, was voting that it should be breaking that 933, but instead it reversed very sharply. That's the big question. Someday, and that they may never come, I will. Exactly. I accept this justice as I love that. I love that sentence, Philkos. Godfather is forever. Smart money can only buy down close candles. Ah, yeah. I saw that. Okay. Okay. A 3-minute chart and then 909. 3-minute chart, 909. Oof. This is the 3-minute chart. This is 909. Picked up liquidity here, I know. But then... Just listening to the music. Elevator music at its best. Interesting. I need to study this. I need to study what happened here. 909 was the catapult, but why? Which candle was the... You were saying can only buy down closed candles. Okay. So, okay, this was it. And then came the first bullish candle, up close candle. All right, so it bought it. Then the bullish candle happened at 912. Look, we completed the market maker sell model, so then came the market maker buy model. I'm just trying to understand why this move happened from 9. It was just a... Okay, so we completed the cycle, you're saying, until Asia low. We completed the cycle. It started to go higher, but then we saw these bearish candles, which kind of means that smart money is buying up orders, and there was a liquidity pocket here on this fair value gap, just an extra add-on. So it just bought all these orders from this fair value gap, this fair value gap, and this one, and then, okay, I will study this. Interesting. Interesting. Adam Dez, what's up? Welcome. Sorry, I didn't say. I was kind of into the study session right now. Yeah, 312 was the SMR. Okay, smart money reversal here. I need to study this. And thank you, by the way, M, for reminding me on this. Okay. I'm going to write this down, by the way. So... smart money reversal. Not that I didn't heard about it. I just want to study this current day. So at the end of the day, I'm going to study this move here. I will do. I want to study this move. When after today, I am going to study this move. Okay. Market maker buy model. And that was 9 a.m. to 9:12, right? It was 9:09, 9:12. Okay. All right. I'm gonna study this. I saved it for later. Sticky notes, you know. So I won't forget to study this move. Because this is quite interesting. I want to know more about what happened here, down there. Pre-market high. Yeah, it might happen. Actually, yeah, the London high, that was actually, maybe that was the initial target, but we still have buy side at that 191. That's a little but your business is a little dangerous. Yeah, I don't know which movie is that from, but yeah, it is. Completed the market maker external, so above the 312 candle on the 3-minute. Okay, so price here completed. Okay, okay, all right. It will be interesting to see, but thank you. I will learn from it. I will do my best. Still no entry that I can go with. Let's see what's gonna happen. And Q will go up. Let's see. Well, there is some space here. Wonder if it wants to go to the 90s or not. Not yet, maybe. No. Not yet. Not yet. We might see a pullback, actually. What's the time? Yeah, we're in the silver bullet hours, so 5-minute has a gap, 15-minute has a gap, anything can happen. We see the pullback here. You think gold will continue to rise today? Let's check it, Daniel. I haven't really checked too much on gold. Oh yeah, look at that. Yeah, it will. I think it will. I think it will go through that 41.74. It's very likely that it will. The very nice buy side level there at 75. Not saying that this is not financial advice, but I think it has a very good chance that it will go through. Because there's a very good order block higher, a 15-minute supply zone that is. So yes, I think it will grind up slowly. Yeah, bull flag on NQ. Let's see. Kind of like it. Yeah, feels like a bull flag thingy. All right, nothing is moving so far. Yeah, gold is going. Kind of feels like that's the case here, but I'm actually curious if this one wants to break it or not. Does feel like it wants to. Okay, not much is happening on gold so far. NQ pulling back into a 15-minute gap, I think, down at 91. I think so. Not really sure. But there is liquidity here. $19.91. Is it gonna go higher? Is this gonna try to go higher here? On 34. I think it might want to. Let's see. Back to the 50s, maybe. Trying to figure out the scalp trade. If we can have something here. I don't know. Gotta wait. I just can't. Gold is actually acting up weird a little bit, so no surprise there. And as for NQ, it's a hard read. Yeah, it's kind of going sideways. I'm surprised on gold, by the way, that it's tanking down now. But I guess it needed a pullback. And I have no trade. I'm still trying to decide which side to take here. I was always like, almost like I want to trade a little bit on gold, but I'm still watching NQ. Can't really decide. Gold is a tricky one today, so we're gonna wait. We're just gonna wait. Okay. NQ seemingly wants to go down. into the 91. How about that? There is some liquidity, but I mean down there, but I don't know if it really wants to go for it or not. I feel like it can just go higher to that 191. Mark, hey there. Gold buy 100. Let's go. Careful, because gold just actually sweeping some lows here. I mean, he's having a pullback thing going on. I'm also watching the same thing on NQ. Is it going to go lower, or is it going to try to get back higher? There could be liquidity below that level, but I don't know how much. That's the thing. I'm gonna leave it there for now. Those who want respect, give respect. Yeah. Quick check on gold again. Hold on, I need to check something real quick.
Így járunk vaksötétben, s feszengünk kamarában, akár a Szaharában, mert ahol zsarnokság van, minden hiában, a dal is, az ilyen hű, akármilyen mű, mert ott áll, eleve sírodnál, ő mondja meg, ki voltál, porod is neki szolgál.
Fontos tehát, hogy ne csak emlékezzünk, hanem meg is fogalmazzuk azt, hogy a szabadságért őrzött értékek milyen felelősséggel járnak nemzetünk számára. Erről szólt Sinkovics Imre előadásában és Gyulap egy mondat a zsarnokságról című műve. Újra szeretnélek megkérni benneteket, hogy gyertek följebb egy kicsit az András útról, engedjük be a hősök terére, aki még befér, gyertek közelebb egy kicsit, és most már pár perc, és elállt teljesen az eső, most már alig esik. Úgyhogy így néhány perc múlva már talán az ég is kiderül.
All right. Yeah, classic gold move. It actually, you know, plays with the mindset, and we're just trying to figure out what to do. All right, so far I think it found some support here. I'm not sure how this is going to continue. We could be or should be breaking through that 191. That's what I'd like to see. And the distance right now is still like 70 points. I mean, it could do it. And that would be amazing. $91.75. Let's see the same level here. 92.25. Yeah, 91.75. Okay. Look at this move. We still have time, plenty of time. This one can still continue higher. I'm just one stomach flew away from my goal weight. Oh my gosh. I don't know if that's good or bad. Okay, it's still going. Still trying. We're gonna have a new 15-minute and 5-minute candle soon. Kind of curious how this is gonna go. Buy gold. Let's check it. Oh yeah, look at that. It's kind of inverting right now. This gap here. What do you guys think? Is it a good idea to buy gold right now? 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio is not such a bad idea, huh? Thank you. Hit the first presentation. It seems like it didn't yet, but it wants to go. Wants to go higher, I mean. All right. 170. I don't know. It seems like it's just there's just not enough steam in this bullish push, and I have no position here. Nothing. At the market open, I did that small scalp thing, and that's it. Gold is still strong. You think so? I think we should just jump in to a gold trade just like that. I'm actually I'm also thinking to jump into a gold trade. I'm definitely thinking about it. All right. I took a small long position on gold just to see how it goes. All right. Just for fun. Actually, not fun, but just to see if it tries to go for that buy side, because there's an awesome zone up there above 175. So I thought, you know, why not? Why not try to go for it? So I jumped in, obviously at the best point, at the high, 62.8. Awesome, really good entry on my end. And let's see, what else do we have? I think I want to. I took a long on NQ. Small position. Just to see if it tries to go for that 191 to break these highs. And that is it so far. Yeah. So here's the NQ trade. I'm kind of looking for, and here's the gold trade that I took. Both of them are in drawdown. Yeah, short-lived, unfortunately. Also gold too, not looking good. Small risk, but I was expecting more. I was expecting a push, but we'll see. This gold is just playing dirty games. Hello, Junior. What's up? Yeah, the gold trade is not looking too good, Mark. I may have jumped the gun where I shouldn't have, where I shouldn't had to. Seems like the bulls are just unable to push it through, and it's extra risk because gold and NQ don't like to go hand in hand. But small risk, as I said, very small. This week you're losing. Oh, doing great. Today was fairly good. I have some profits, so if I lose this, I'm just gonna give back the profits from earlier. But I really thought that this is gonna go. Still not going higher. just not going through. It's not going through yet. Hold. Yeah, we'll see. If the original target could be that 191. My problem is with gold, actually. Yeah, it's unable to push. Can't make it. I'm sorry, I have to close it. I have to close everything. I'm closing manually everything. I had to. I took too much risk earlier. Gold is not moving. This is just not happening. My gut feeling just told me that this could be a buy trap. I don't know. This was actually a scalp trade, and this is not a zone. I'm not trading according to my plan, so I should not be having two open positions on two different markets. This is just not good. I exited with small profit, so that's good, but otherwise I'm not proud of this, what I just did. So I'm not taking more trades. This is it. That's it. I can't. I just can't take more trades on this. I still believe it should be going through 191, but you know, it's 1036. It can just decide to sweep more liquidity. It's just going to take the elevator down. I don't like this move. I wanted to see stronger movement up there, so I chickened out, but it's fine. I'm in the green, made profits, actually quite good profits today, so I'm okay, and I don't mind if this is going higher. So I'm just glad I closed everything. Marty Muchka, welcome. Gold longs, let's go. Well, thank you, Adam. I had better trades in the past few days and last week. I don't know. I have a weird feeling that gold is just gonna tank another leg down. And I had a position on NQ. I don't care that it goes to 191 because I don't care. I made good profits. I had a great trade at the market open at 9:30. That was awesome. Actually, I closed it earlier than I re-entered. So that's what the frustration started here at 9:30. And that frustration is still in my brain. I still feel the anxiety. Anyway, I just don't want to. When I don't feel emotionally like detached, then I just can't. I can't hold the position. And this was copy traded on 9 accounts, by the way. 9. Imagine 18 positions. 18 positions, 9 of them on gold, 9 of them on NQ. The pressure is a little bit high. I don't like that. The biggest problem I'm facing currently fixing that sometimes I go out of the plan. Yeah, so what you can do, Adam, is size down the position. You gotta size down. Obviously to micros. 1 or 2 micros here or there cannot hurt. What is with you lately? I'm chickened out. I don't know. Philcos knows that feeling. I mean, I gotta it wasn't a big trade at the market open. I just made a few points. Actually, I entered I was already in a position when the stream started. I closed it early because it actually rejected from before the 5-minute supply zone, and then I re-entered. So that's where the frustration started today, and I just can't do it. I need to stop. But I'm in the green everywhere. Funded accounts, evaluation accounts, everything is in the green. I also have 2 new Apex funded accounts. It's 1-day pass and it's 80% off and $85 lifetime activation, just saying, with Apex again. But eventually, look at that 191. We got there. Pilkos got emotionally detached too. Long thank you, but my TP was smashed very fast. Yeah, I mean, I don't mind having a small TP here as long as I make my profit goal for the day or for the session. But anyway, it was just weird. Yes, I usually like to hold the trade much longer. Yes. So that's why I wasn't feeling okay with this. And you know why? Because this buy side is not my target. I'm not going for swing highs. This is not something I'm comfortable going for, that 191. We have this beautiful 15-minute supply zone, by the way. If we see a beautiful upload candle with a fair value gap and the pullback into the fair value gap, then I would say why not? Let's go for the 15-minute supply zone. But until it's not happening, well, until it's not gonna happen, I'm just not feeling comfortable with that. Anyway. $1,100 unfunded. Let's go, Caleb. Yeah, what did I tell you? Smart money only buy down close candle. Yes. Yeah, you told me. That's true. That's true. You said it right. I definitely give you that. This was a stage. Drum is from. Yeah. Stage from market maker buy model. Okay. I'm definitely will, because I did, but I somewhat forgot what it was all about. Yeah, gold is unplugged. Nevertheless, I think that 41.75 is a good target. Yeah, the stages. Yeah, actually, I'm gonna write that down again. I'm gonna write that down. MMX model stages. I just wrote it down. Here you go. MMX stages. See? So I'm gonna look into this later. I need to understand more about this. I mean, I went through this market maker buy and sell model, but I need to dig into the details much more. Yes, I understand. Yeah, I'm You would buy? Mark, well, be careful with the buys here. 3-minute chart becomes more clearly. I see. Okay. Yeah, I understand. Everybody, I think I'm going to call it here. I'm going to call it here because I need to make some phone calls and I need to do some stuff. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'm not going to take more trades anyway. I'll be at MyFunded TV shortly. So thank you for watching. And if you would like to support the channel, please don't forget to use the code TOMSABO. I appreciate it. It helps a lot. Any of these platforms that you like, including TRADEDAY, Lucid Trading, FundingTicks, TRADEIFY, MyFundedFutures, Take Profit Trader, daily payouts at TRADEDAY and Take Profit Trader. Thank you. Leg day. That's what we should do. Leg day. Boom banana. I'm just closing the stream, but thank you for dropping in. So thank you so much for the support. I'll be at MyFunded TV. God bless you all. I'll be back tomorrow, London and New York too. God bless. Cheers. Congratulations, Boom Banana.